bwanyuma y'akaruru akukwatira ekibiina kya National Resistance Bendera arengo rw'abanyeshengero kwa abayetsimbire omu karuru aka ntebe zitari zimwe na zimwe mu district ya Kasese nibetombeita bagumize ngu bitaragenzere ryo mu karuru aka niyo bingi. Bwanyuma ya mukuru w'ebyobururu mu district eji kurangirira Sara Ithungu Bareke ngo rukuza kwatira ekibiina kya NRM Bendera ntebe y'omunyeshengero kazi aba district eji Merina Kabugo Kigotha akoreka ubutamarwa ari kushobora ngu harimo butari buringaniza.
Because the leadership, the NRM leadership now is one-sided. Actually, it took sides, I must say that. Because this yesterday, and everyone knows it, even a child knows it, that Maryland is supposed to win this election. But today morning at around 9, the chairperson of NRM came to the office, to the tele center, and made directives. Actually, he came pretending as if he came to help the whole situation. As a chairperson of NRM, I, for one, raised my issues. I cited some areas that I was not comfortable with.
Muringo nugogume Francis Mugisa Kithura nawe wasinjirwe akaruru ko kwatira NRM Bendera ntebe y'omunyeshengero ahabwa Kasese municipality we nagerangwa hiturigambira naza kunjira omukoti uburebeka ngu yabasa kutunga buringaniza.
I want to inform the supporters, my supporters and the Kasese people municipality that the declaration form you're seeing moving around does not include votes for 4 polling stations which were disregarded for reasons best known to them, but I know on my side I had most of the votes. I was leading in those polling stations, and so I believe and think that if those votes are included, I remain leading and I'm supposed to be declared as the winner of the primary elections for NRM Kasese municipality.
Abantu bagira ngo no mukoti haba hatabereyo buringaniza beija kwendera betsimbire nk'abantu buntu obukiri kumanywa nka independent.
As where they cheated from, they included Karusandara, Rukoki sub-county and some parts of Rusongora North. Actually, it was Rukoki sub-county, Karusandara, Wisumbu, and Buhuhira. In broad daylight, they were just giving themselves marks so that they can actually tally with what I had got.
I'm giving a demand note to NRM Electoral Commission for Kasese to declare the results of those 4 polling stations which were not included, so that the people who went on lines at those polling stations find their rights being accepted or being considered, that they also participated. Least it means they have not considered them as people of the municipality.
Kumshaki weitu yagambaho na Sara Ithungu warangirirwe ngo wasingwire mu karuru ko kwatira NRM Bendera ntebe y'omunyeshengero kazi kandi ogu yagira ngo we hayetebekanise kwatarisa na buri umwe urukwenda kombeka ekibiino muri Kasese.
I've had a 20-year gap in Kasese district between the government of Uganda, the NRM party and the women of Kasese without having a woman MP representing Kasese from the NRM party. Now is the time for everybody to come together as a team and we win as a team. So I'm calling upon all the structures, all the 30-30 per village, that we are going to work together as a team to consolidate our vote as the NRM so that we can have a powerful win in January 2026.